This is Joe from VOChicago.com. I'm headed to a fun location close to Well Street's pedestrian-friendly strip of bars, restaurants, and one-of-a-kind shops for a walk through one of the apartments at the fabulous new Old Town Park 2. I'm at apartment 1208, southwest corner, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Looking out at this great open living dining kitchen area. 2 walls of windows facing south and facing west. Blonde plank flooring extends throughout the unit. There are high ceilings. Waterfall drop in the kitchen. Balcony facing out to the west, where you're going to enjoy Chicago's great sunset views. And the main windows serve up just a fabulous view of Chicago's skyline. It's going to be dazzling when it lights up in the warm glow of the early evening sun and at night. Kitchen has a breakfast bar island, white quartz counters, double bowl undermount stainless steel sink. There's a gooseneck faucet, undermount microwave, cabinet front, refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher. It's a 5-burner gas range. Since we're in a model, you're going to find the refrigerator stocked with goodies to keep you hydrated and carved up. Ceramic tile extends up above the range hood. What a great room this would be to entertain in or just to relax in. Heading back toward the second bedroom. Windows on 2 walls. Custom organizers in the closets. Looking toward the entryway, the full-size stacked washer-dryer. Coat closet, as you would have entered. And then a very sleek guest bath. Plenty of space. Marble veined tile extends up to the ceiling above a deep soaking tub. Body spray attachment with a rain shower head. Wide wall of mirrors above the vanity and a built-in medicine cabinet. Heading back again through the living dining area. Great separation between the second bedroom and the master. Looking at the master. Looks out over the balcony. Great master bath with a double bowl vanity. Wide wall of mirrors again. Built-in medicine cabinet. And a wide shower with a frameless glass door. And that same marble veined tile that you saw in the guest bath. Walk-in closet with custom organizers. Old Town Park has a very appealing location, completely over the top, fabulous suite of amenities, everything new, everything sleek and stylish. Definitely belongs high on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.